This is a brand new AI method to make money online using Google Docs and Google Images using this brand new AI bot that we never talked about before, and everything is pretty much done for you, which actually makes this one of the easiest ways to start making money online with Google in 2023. So once again, a brand new strategy, and I'm going to share with you everything in the step-by-step tutorial. So if that sounds good enough, then make sure to drop a like down below and let us begin with the full breakdown. Very first AI bot we're going to be using combined with Google Docs and Google Images is called GoCharlie, which is a content generating app. Basically, you can get a lot of different blog posts on it for you. You can get social media posts, content repurposing, images, and art. And they also have 50 different use cases with this one single AI tool, with this one single cute doggy right over here. Now, what do you essentially want to do for this? Number one, you just want to create an account by pressing on a sign in or sign up button, and you want to sign up for GoCharlie for free. Now, once you sign up for free, you will be able to see that you do have a lot of different tools at your disposal right over here, but we're going to be using it for writing tricks on the left hand side. And then you want to go over to Blog Wizard, which is a section where you can generate a blog from scratch. Now we are going to come back to this tool, but what you're going to do next is you want to install this absolutely free Chrome extension called Synthesis X. Synthesis X allows you to turn copyright images into copyright free images. So once you find some image on Google, 99% of the images have copyright issues, and you're not allowed to just scrape them, download them, and use them for yourself because you'll get incorporated issues. But what you can do is you can find an image on Google that you like, then go to the image and left click on your mouse, and you will select revisualize that image, and it's going to recreate that dual with AI. It's going to recreate that image with AI, and it's going to make it unique so you can actually use it. So if you scroll a little bit down in the description box in the overview, they basically say that you will own all copyrights, and you will own all copyrights your finished creation, so you can confidently share it. That's what Synthesis X says. So you can just add it to your Chrome by pressing on the add to Chrome button. It's going to be right over here, and then it's going to change to remove from Chrome. Because I already have it, then you have to go to Google Images, and for whatever you search, if you search for example for money or any type of image, you can just right click on it if you like it, and you can just click on revisualize this image. So it's going to add that to your Google Chrome, and now it's going to recreate two different images from that single one, and you can choose which one you like. If you don't like any of these, you can just recreate it again. It literally requires just one click of a button. If this doesn't make any sense to you, just click on try again. It's hopefully going to recreate a better image, maybe, because this is animated, it doesn't generate high quality images. If you search for literally anything, I actually like this one because it's kind of artistic. So I'm going to download it to my computer with one click of a button, where I can also download this one as well, because this is free tool. You can just recreate it again and again for unlimited times until you find something that you actually like. So now that you know how it works and you have installed Synthesis X, what you want to do next is generate blog post. You want to generate a blog post that's about literally anything, whether that's going to be about fishing, whether it's going to be about gaming, cooking, whether it's going to be about business, finance, or investing in crypto and NFTs. It really doesn't matter. But what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to generate a blog post that I've already done for you about how to make money online. As an example, I'm going to go with 5 ways to make money online, and I can answer a tone in this which can be friendly or it can also be professional. You can just enter whichever tone you prefer. You can enter the target audience. In this case, my target audience is going to be entrepreneurs, and the SEO keywords that I used are making money online, and then they click on fetch blog, and now this doggy is basically going to find it from the blog topics for me, and I'll choose which ones I like, and that I have already done for you. It will take a little bit while, but till that time you can wait. We'll just proceed to the overview of this entire blog post, and now we can just fetch the blog with one press of a button, or it will have a full blog post generated with all the keywords inside, unique high quality content that you can then use along the way. Now, while it has been generated, you just want to download some images from Google Images using Synthesis. So you'll just find something that's related to your blog post. So in case you created a blog post that talk about animals, you can search for the example for a cat, or you can recreate that. So for example, let's just say you really like this image, you can just right click on it, visualize this image, and hopefully they're going to create something good, and then you can use that image for your blog post. So you do need some images for these blog posts that we're creating. And now you can go back to Go Charlie, and then you can have this full blog post. As you can see, it does provide a lot of value. We have the title here, we have the meta description as well. We are full of keywords, and now we can use this. So what you want to do is you want to copy this entire blog post with one press of a button, and you want to open up Google Docs at docs.google.com. You want to paste that blog post here. So I'm just going to remove the meta description, and I'm only going to have the title. So I have already done that for you as well to save our time. The title says 5 ways to make money online. We also have changed the title of the document. And then most importantly, what you want to do is you want to find some affiliate offers to promote, whether it's going to be on ClickBank or DG Store or Warrior Plus, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be using entireweb.com affiliate program. Go to the affiliate offers, and then I can just grab my affiliate link right away, and I can add a call to action for it, because this offer is going to make money online, and this is how your affiliate link is going to look like. So you can just copy your affiliate link from Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or DG Store, or any other affiliate program, and you can go back to Google Docs. You can create a call to action, and you can perhaps say click here to see the best way to make money online. In this case, because that's what my blog post is about, and I can highlight this, make it bold, make this a little bit bigger, and then insert my affiliate link. So go to insert my affiliate link. All I got to do is press here, click apply. I have this blue call to action, which I'm going to add between all of these lines to ensure that when someone is reading this blog post, they'll eventually click on the link and sign up for that offer, so I can make money and earn an affiliate commission. Now once you're done, you can you want to download this as a PDF document to your computer with that affiliate link included. What you can also do to make this look a little more engaging is you can also insert that image that you got generated for you. In order to insert that image, you're going to click on insert, and you want to click on insert and upload for your computer, and then you just want to paste it over here. So you can perhaps make it a little bit smaller, and this is how I'm personally going to use it. And then I'm going to download this as a PDF document to my computer. So now once you have this PDF to your computer, what you want to do is next is you want to share this PDF document with as many people as possible. And the easiest way to do this, if you don't have any social media followers, is to go over to pdfdrive.com. PDF Drive is being visited by millions of people every single month. It's a platform where people come to share PDF files, and millions of people come to read those PDF documents because they might be valuable, and we're actually sharing a valuable post. It talks about certain topics, and it was all generated for you. So for example, this PDF document was downloaded 1,000,000 times. So 1,000,000 people downloaded this PDF document in a single week. You can just imagine how many people out of those million can potentially click the link which inside of that post that talks about a topic that they are already interested in. So you have a potential to get a lot of traffic from PDF Drive. So you got to sign in for free, and you want to share that PDF document with that image through PDF Drive. It can potentially be seen by millions of people, and all of those people that are reading our PDF documents can potentially click on that affiliate link inside and sign up for one of those offers, making your affiliate commission and earning you passive income. So that's how you can use these brand new AI tools with Google Docs and Google Images to make money online. I really hope that you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, and I'll see you next time.